Hi everyone, here is an excellent high protein laddu recipe which can be eaten by almost everyone from the family, elderly, diabetic persons, if any. In particular, kids, this is a very excellent, delicious dessert. A high protein laddu, this, and also it gives enough calcium each laddu. So definitely this can be added in your regular diet each day. One ball is good enough for all the vital nutrients. What I have added here is almost all the seeds goes in: pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, melon seeds, and few cardamoms. All that dry roast and keep it aside. Flax seeds, black till and white till, all that again you need to dry roast till you see a nice popping sound comes in. Then you need to transfer that and cool down. Also I have taken some majur dates which I have de-seeded, and I have heated that little bit, and then I have transferred that into a plate. Once it is cooled down, you need to pulse it, and then you can roll it like a ball or any shape, the desired shape that you're looking for. You can do that. Adding ghee and extra sweetener if any is totally your call. Otherwise it's a very good dessert for everyone in the